Hi guys, I'm here again and I'm making another video because I had a lesson earlier and I encountered this problem and I don't know how to work it out. So um, I'm gonna show you how to work this out. This is basically grade 10 math. And so this is a problem. Um, the area of the shaded shape, so this is the shaded shape, is 12 centimeters. Okay. We need to find the value of this part of the radius, which is x. And I was caught off guard earlier. I didn't know how to work it out. And it says the answer is 3.65 centimeters. So let's take a look. And so we're given um, the shaded area is 12 centimeters, centimeters squared. And central angle is 74 degrees. Outer radius, this radius, the entire radius is x plus 2, right? And the inner radius, this one, equals x. We're good so far, right, for the given? And so let's solve. So the shaded region is a sector of an annulus. Okay. So a sector of an annulus, also called annular sector, is a portion of a flat, ring-shaped area, an annulus, that is bounded by two concentric circles and two radial lines, creating a pie slice-like shape. Okay, so that's the shaded part, a sector of an annulus. Okay, and the formula is, I got the formula earlier, but I think I got my algebra messed up. So the formula of the sector of an annulus is A equals the angle, okay, over 360. So that's the basically a fraction of the circle times pi. The area of the sector is basically the area of the circle, and then get the fraction uh, based on the degrees. But in this case, since it's an annulus, a sector of an annulus, so that's r squared. I mean the outer radius, okay, minus the inner radius squared, okay? So that's the formula. Um, so we can substitute the values, okay? So the area of the um, shaded area is 12. We're given the angle 74. Pi And then our outer radius is x plus 2. That's x plus 2 squared minus the inner radius, which is x squared. Okay, I hope we're good so far. Next, let's simplify. Let's start with the brackets. Basic, right? Okay. So the brackets, x plus squared squared, that's basically x squared plus 4x plus 4. Okay, I think most of you know how to do that. And then minus x squared. So if you minus x squared and x squared, you'll left with 4x plus 4. Okay, so let's carry on. So 12 equals 74 over 360 pi 4x plus 4. All right. Then we can factorize this actually. So 12 equals, I'm just gonna multiply 74 and pi. It's basically the same. 74 pi over 360 times, or you can just use dot, 4 bracket x plus 1. Okay. And then I'm going to multiply. 74 times 4, that's 296 pi over 360 times x plus 1. Okay, and then I'm going to um, simplify this by dividing it by 4, right? So 12 equals 296 divided by 4, that's 74 pi over 90 x plus 1. Then I'm gonna move 90 over there by multiplying it by 90. If you times it by 90, both sides, you can eliminate this, right? So uh, 90 times 12 is 1080. And then I'm going to divide it by 74 pi. So that canceled. And so, um, 1080 divided by 74 times pi is 232.477. You can use your calculator to work that out. Equals x plus 1. Okay. So now 1080 divided by 232.477 is 4.646. I'm gonna take away 1, both sides. So that's 3.646 plus x. Or if you want to round it off to one decimal place, 2 decimal places, 3.65 centimeters. And that's the answer. Thank you for watching. See ya.